I'm sitting in a 2017 Nissan Rogue keyed version right here. We're going to be programming 2 OEM flip keys. So let's get started. Okay, program key, hazard lights on. Let's stick the key in the ignition, but we're not going to turn it. There's the key. Open and close driver's door. Yes. Okay, insert key to program and switch ignition on. Key is on. There's our security light 5 times. Yes. Yes. Take the key out. Insert the next key. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done. No more keys. I'm going to take the original key, turn it back on, turn it off to verify. The light is out. Okay, that should do it. Yep. Flasher's off. Starts up. Second key on. Light is out. Starts up. We are completed.